Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shom and welcome back to the channel. So monoliths. We all thought that aliens planted monoliths, but no. Some great-minded humans took some stainless steel pieces and welded them together and scattered them around the planet, and that made our 2020 better, I guess. So let's make one of our own. So first of all, we will not delete the default cube. We are just gonna scale it down and scale it in the Z-axis so that we have something that looks like a monolith, I guess. So now that we have our monolith, we are going to add a landscape. So for landscape, go to the preference and enable landscape add-on, and it's completely free and it's from Blender. So now that we have our landscape, we are going to adjust the dune according to us, change the settings and everything. So now we'll just adjust and position the monolith on the desert, and now adjust the camera and change the aspect ratio so that we can render it out, post it on Instagram and flex. So now it's time to add some smoothness to our monolith. So we'll select the monolith, go to edit tab and select all the four sides and add a bevel. Also add some segments to make it more smooth. Now it's time to add some background, some sky. So we are going to add a sky texture from the world settings, and we are going to use Pritham. Also change some settings. I'm going to decrease the strength and make it look like a little bit dark environment. So now it's time to add some materials to our monolith and desert. For the monolith, it's just one material that is gonna be a glossy material so that it looks shiny, and for the desert we are going to shading tab and add a material, also add bump node and wave texture. So from bump normal to normal, and from wave texture color to height, so that we get some like wave textures. Also change the color of the, so change the setting of the scales and distortion and details, everything into the wave texture side, and I guess that's it. Now just go to the cycles render and press render, and then you have your own monolith. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe and do everything that you want. Also comment your opinions and what you would like to see next. So till then, okay, bye.